We had left the ancient village of Figurinas. Now they were going through the valley of Giunchi in search of Punta Unossi on the plateau of Saccoguttada. But despite the efforts of two, they failed to find the complex of Punta Unossi, and not even the church of Our Lady of Sea. All this because the Sardinians enjoy not informing the lovers of the history and archaeology of Sardinia with a punctual and precise information. Birds. Everything was left to chance, like hunting a treasure. As a matter of fact, the goal of the day was the tomb of Campu Lontanu, a site full of history located in the territory of Florinas. According to the sources, the tomb in question was a monumental of Sardinian architecture, a tomb of giants carved into the rock, and one of a kind in all its volume. Also, the tomb of Molafa is a structure of giants carved in the rock. They are also called rocky cut tombs, with a prospect and the reference to the volume of the mount. This architectural structure was the result of the erosion of an erratic limestone boulder that had been broken by the nearby Rocca Bianca complex. The tomb had a 4-meter tall stele. It also had jumped to the literary chronicles thanks to the story of Julian Cope, to whom he had dedicated an article. The difference between Salvavecchio, Francisco, and Cope was that the Anglo-Saxon Druid faced the portals of the afterlife under the effect of the ephedrina, while they studied the monuments, sometimes the cup of Sardinian wine. And so everything was explained with more rationality and a measure of things. We should like to suggest to make a visit to Campu Lontanu, which is situated not very far from Florinas, in the Logudoro area, about half an hour by car from Sassari. So, Campu Lontanu, a rock-cut tomb, one of the most interesting in Sardinia. I should also remember that this is Radio Aleph 131 Radio Rock area, the radio for you. So listen to our radio.